video, I'm going to actually go back to a part that I may have missed out in the iPod versus PSP video, and that was the internet compatibility. So both devices, as you know, are able to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. I just wanted to show you the differences in speed and what certain sites can be accessed easily and quickly on both devices. So I'm just going to try and load up Google from here. So to go to the internet browser on the PSP first, and we'll go to the keyboard, and then we'll go ahead and click on the history and then go down to Google. So now both devices are actually set to go straight to Google. As you can see, the iPod's Google app is right down there. So we'll just go ahead and click and try and get this as accurate as possible. So 3, 2, 1, go. So as you can see, the actual iPod's internet browser for Google loads up a lot faster and straight away. The PSP tends to go through your Wi-Fi connection points server before it lets you actually get access to the site. It refreshes the actual connection between the device and the router. So as you can see now, both devices are actually connected. So that just quickly shows you both Google home pages on both devices. So let's try and go to YouTube. I know YouTube is a bit funny when it comes to the PSP. So we've got it set for the PSP, and we'll just set it for the iPod. Okay, so now it's set for the iPod. I'm not going to use the YouTube app on the iPod. I'm going to make it fair by trying to actually go through the main internet to access YouTube rather than just going on the app. So I'm going to try it now. So 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the iPod YouTube was loaded, and then almost shortly after, the PSP's, well, YouTube is still in the loading process. So just see if that's loaded, or is it still loading? So you can really see at this point the actual difference in RAM speed on both the devices. You can start to see the actual 8-year gap between both devices that is taking substantially longer to load on the PSP than it is to take on the iPod. I'm not sure if it's crashed or I think that may be the search bar. I think it might have kind of crashed when loading, so I'm not sure if you can see, but that blue kind of area there, I think, is the search bar. We'll give it a few more seconds. Yes, I don't think it's going to load up. I think it may need updating, but we'll go on it anyway. Let's see what you can search. So I'll just search my channel on both devices. So that's it set for the iPod, for the PSP. And I'll just type that into the iPod. So it's quickly, yeah, so it's already loaded up there. And we'll try and load it up for the PSP. So I'm not sure whether it'll load up at this moment in time. No, it's just using to load up. So since YouTube's not working on the PSP for some reason, let's try another site. So let's try something a bit less complicated, or less, it's got less data to load up. So let's try eBay. So let's it load up for the PSP. Now for the iPod. That's loading on both devices. So yeah, eBay seems to be fine on both devices. So I'll see it's telling me not enough memories to be displayed. So again, it is struggling to try and hold up all the data on the PSP. I'm getting quite a few error messages appearing, but that's the general outlay of it. And that's the general outlay for the iPod. So those are just some examples of sites that you can access on both devices. Some on the PSP, due to its age, for example, it's going some websites are going to struggle to actually open up. Whereas on the iPod, being it's up to date, it'll be able to cache and upload and withhold data a lot better than the PSP. So I hope you enjoyed this short segment of internet connection on both devices. I know it may not have been as smooth as it could be, but it just gave you a brief taste of internet on both devices. So this has been Boost Tech here. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe, and have a pleasant day. Bye for now.